Welcome to the ProtoShare orientation video for editors. This tutorial will introduce you to the ProtoShare interface and how to begin wireframing in the application to gain feedback from team members or other stakeholders. While there are multiple levels of users in ProtoShare, all users fall into two main categories: reviewers, who only interact with the prototype and give feedback, and editors, anyone who can create and edit prototypes. When you log in, you're taken to the account dashboard. Here, you can keep up to date with the latest ProtoShare news, manage your projects, and depending on your editor level, manage people and billing. All of your prototypes are contained within projects. You can open and create a new project from the Active Projects pane. We'll create a new project and open it. At the left is the Pages tab, where you create pages in the interactive page tree. For a website project, the pages represent your site's architecture. The pages also are used to create live navigation for the prototype. By default, each new project has a home and 3 subpages. Let's rename the placeholder pages and add new ones. We'll use the right-click menu and keyboard shortcuts, which can also be used throughout the application. You can even move pages in the page tree by dragging them to a new location. Within each page is one or more design, which is where you add content. By default, each page has a single blank design. We'll create a couple different designs and then open the wireframe design in the editor by double-clicking the thumbnail. Before we add content to this design, let's take a look at the tools available in the editor. There is a floating component palette and an inspector box, which can be turned on or off with the controls above. Use File, Edit, and Layout menus to adjust your editing experience and manipulate the components on the design. Let's add some content. Most components are available in the palette. However, others are available in the Stencils and Widgets library. Just double-click or drag a component and drop it to the canvas. When adding a navigation component, it automatically shows the pages below the home page displayed in the page tree. You can change the configuration by editing its properties in the inspector or using the controls in the toolbar. Let's resize the component, set the fill, and adjust a few other settings. We'll open another design that's already been created in a new tab and then show you the listing. Here, you can see if there are any templates or states on the page, a listing of all the components, and annotations, which are indicated by the blue or yellow speech markers. 3 more controls key to prototyping with ProtoShare are the mode icons in the menu bar. Currently, we are in edit mode. However, if we want to add annotations to the design, click the speech marker and then add notes by clicking the crosshairs on the canvas. Push Escape to exit back to edit mode. You can also test functionality like pop-ups by selecting the hand icon. Click around on the screen to test components. As you can see, the navigation is active. However, you cannot click on the links in the editor. You must use the navigation only in review mode. Again, push Escape to return to editing. The third mode is link mode, which allows you to draw hyperlinks over images and design comps. Now we want to receive feedback from our colleagues by inviting them to the project. This can be done from the project dashboard. Click Invite in the Members pane, type the user's email, and select a user role if they are a new member. To add discussion topics, open the prototype in the Review UI. To create a new discussion topic, click the Add Topics button in the toolbar. We'll take the crosshairs and click on the design to create a topic. Additionally, we can subscribe all or some of the project members to the topic. They will receive an email alert or notification of a new topic when they log into ProtoShare. A new push pin is created and the topic appears in the Topics panel. Push Escape when you are done creating topics. This concludes the ProtoShare orientation for editors. For in-depth tutorials on building prototypes or how to use Review, check out the support section of protoshare.com.